Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a drone tour of the construction of the sovereign Mandeville Plaza. Straight ahead you can see two of the food stores that are open. You're looking at Domino's and Wendy's. Now, with the opening of Highway 2000, or with the highway, you could say, being extended to Mandeville, a lot of development is going on in Mandeville, and this plaza is one of those developments. So Sovereign decided to build a plaza in Mandeville. This is actually the first plaza they're building outside of the Kingston area, or the corporate area, so to speak. Now straight ahead you're looking at the Shoppers Fair supermarket, and this building is actually going to be demolished when the supermarket moves to a new building behind it. And when it's demolished, more food stores will be built at the front. Okay, so you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, you need a brand name supermarket. We just saw Shoppers Fair, which is the larger supermarket chain in Jamaica. Two, you need food stores, and you're looking at Domino's and Wendy's. And the mall itself will have a food court in it, so the food items are covered, the supermarket is covered. And the third thing is you need to build a mall in a populated area. This is the town of Mandeville, the largest town in central Jamaica, and it's definitely built in a populated area. You don't get a more populated area than Mandeville for this part of Jamaica. So this mall is going to do very well, and it's going to open later this year. And the highway is also going to be opened in August of this year, August 2023. So it's going to take 40 minutes to get from Kingston to Mandeville. So it's probably easier to get to Mandeville than it will be to get home. Sometimes people spend more than 40 minutes in traffic in the corporate area. Alright, so we're going to give you a tour of the town of Mandeville now, just to give you an idea of how populated this area is. So straight ahead, behind the food stores, you're looking at a school. And then as we go over to the left, you're going to see the Mandeville Hospital. So that's the school you're looking at. And then coming into view now is the hospital. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We're going to show you the Mandeville area, the town of Mandeville. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.